What's up guys, Kyle with Max Conversion here with you today to walk you through a Sitelink setup, how we do it at Max Conversion, kind of some hidden tricks. First about how it works, but also how do you get sitelinks that go to your landing page directly and where you don't have to separate the URLs. So I'm going to walk you guys through exactly what is a sitelink and how we use it at Max Conversion. So once you're in a campaign, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the campaign, go over to assets, click on that. And then what we're going to do from here is we're going to go over to the sitelink extension. Now, what we're going to hit is add a sitelink. And typically, the way you guys want to add sitelinks is to the campaign level. You can add it to the ad group level. That's being very, very specific. And you guys can spend the time to do that. But I would say about 99% of the time, we're just adding sitelinks to the campaign level as long as the campaign follows a similar theme, right? So if you're a plumber, you've got all these different sitelinks. You've got emergency plumbing, 24/7, get a quote, service areas, our awards, that sort of information. Now, typically what you would do is the way you want to set up these sitelinks is just that, right? You guys want to share why, get what are people looking for, right? And what's going to get somebody to click. So let's say awards and certificates, and you guys can write something really, really small that says, plumbing company awards in 2026. And you can say, and then you can mention some of the awards, right? You've got the award A, certificate B, award C. And then here's kind of where it gets a little tricky. So if you guys are running Google Ads, what you're going to run into is you can run one to the website, but if you save it again, you can see duplicate sitelink extensions won't appear in your ads. So you can't have the same sitelink URL in two different sitelinks. So kind of how do you get around this? And if you guys have a dedicated landing page, as you should, then how can you run all your sitelinks to one landing page so that your tracking doesn't get messed up? They don't have to go to your website. Everything's controlled by you guys. And so the way you're going to want to do this, say for this one, right, you guys got service areas, or, see if we service your area, and then you can write, San Diego, California, top rated plumbers, and then you can mention some of the areas around it, city A, city B, city C, etc. So you get this duplicate sitelink extension. Now the way around this is very, very simple, guys. So what you're going to put here is $sitelink equals 1. And so what this does is the traffic still goes to your landing page. Say this is your landing page. You can have landing page here, and then you would have $sitelink equals 1. So it still goes to your landing page wherever you're directing it to. But now what you can do is you see it has duplicate sitelink extensions. What you're going to do is change out this number right here, and you'll change it to 2. You can change it to 20. You guys can change it to whatever. So if you go down this, you guys can update these sitelinks with just that number so that all your traffic is still going to the landing page, but you guys get the benefit of sitelinks. In most campaigns, sitelinks should be run. It increases your real estate on the search results. So you guys get these here. It may interest somebody. Somebody wants to see your awards and certificates. They want to see the areas you service. Make sure you include that on the landing page, whatever you have here. But for the most part, you guys always want sitelinks. It's going to increase your click-through rate. It's going to improve your quality score if your click-through rate is higher. So make sure that you have sitelinks. And if you have a landing page, use this little trick so that you guys can set up your sitelinks in a way that goes to the same landing page over and over again, and you guys have full control. So if you have any questions about how sitelinks work, best sitelinks to use, how to use this properly, any questions regarding sitelinks, comment them down below. We answer all comments. If you got use out of this video, make sure you hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more helpful Google Ads content.